What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're going to learn how to integrate your text and your picture on Canva using this tool and into a simple, fast and effective way. Basically, you're going to learn how to create the cutout, the image cutout effect. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much that helps us. After this, go to your design, upload the image on your design. In my case, I have chosen this picture right here, this night picture. And then what you're gonna do is review the left sidebar of menus on your Canva web app and find the apps. This can work on mobile as well. Once on apps, type cutout, just like this. Find this very first option right here, with this little C. Click on it. Then what you have to do, you have to choose the image. So let's close the one and let me close it and choose the file. I'm gonna choose the image from my computer. Then I can use the image settings to fit the image into the text, just like this, or maybe like this. All up to you, okay? Just organize the place that you want. I would like to see it basically right here, okay? Go back, scroll down. You can change the text, you can change the font, the alignment, the spacing. You can make it outline, change the outline color, and change the thickness of the outline. After choosing the design you want, click on Add to Design, and here is the result you got. Simple, right? And it makes the text looks more fancy into your image. And that is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!